What's this? 2 videos in 2 days? What's going on here? I'm assembling Marduk a lot faster than I thought. I've got the right arm just about fully attached with all the doohickeys, the shoulder and the elbow and the linear actuator all linked up. I have yet to connect the steering wires because I've been outfitting them with some of these cool automotive connectors. So when they actually stay on there, they're pretty nice. So I can easily disassemble. I need to, of course, hook up the transmission lines to the stick shift, which I've replaced with more of a stick handle. So it'll be getting in the way of the Waldos a little less. And to move Marduk from down there up here, I actually had to attach the old snow blower. And to do that, I actually had to pull the ripcord several dozen times to clean the cylinder head of some accumulated moisture that got in there. And of course I have to connect the transmission lines down here and the clutch line so that Marduk can actually be controlled from inside the cockpit. And after that, all I've got to do is put on these hip panels so it looks a little nicer, fill in the gap in the torso between the cockpit hatch and the pectoral plates. Fix that shin piece right there and put in the camera system to make sure the camera still works. And now that I found my wide angle lens, we'll be able to see more of the mech in each video instead of being, you know, so close and up personal. So I guess if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others who like giant robots too, and until next time, keep getting a wide view of your giant robot. Bye-bye.